Okay. See, the basic intention of starting or doing the basic mathematics is to make you to understand some basic questions in the kinematics, laws of motion, especially rotation, particulation. Isn't it? In second year, some chapters in the waves and electrostatics. Isn't it? There are some chapters which refers the basics of your vectors, basics of your differentiation, integration, like differentiation of sine, differentiation of cos, simple integration, simple differentiation, not very high level, but to some extent. So that is the reason yesterday also, whatever the problems I did for you, they are really very basic problems. That basic models you should be knowing. If you're not able to follow it, try to go through the recordings. You will be finding them on the YouTube, either on my channel or on the RISE channel. Basically, every day we are uploading them. You can regularly see them, make a notes, try to revise it a number of your times, go it, see it on an 1x or 2x part, and try to revise the concepts of differentiation a lot and lot. Because kinematics, without the help of vectors and without the help of differentiation integration, understanding some good questions will be a problem better. That is the reason I'm doing the basic mathematics. Okay, and also take care of your basic calculations part also, like differentiation, 2-number LCM, 3-number LCM, simple addition, simple subtractions also, equating the equations. That also I'll try to take it. Don't bother about that. Is that clear for everyone? Anyone want to talk? You can talk to me better. I'm waiting. Might be some students still in the colleges. They might be coming. So they will also be joining. So I'll wait for another 2-3 minutes. And before that, I would request all of you to go onto the platform of your RISE, where I am daily taking the live classes. And I'll be taking the live classes till 2022 NEET examination, with a lot of practice on each chapter and with highly expected questions from each chapter beta. So I'm also planning on to make highly expected and very good models from each chapter, that after during the revision part, we can say that from this chapter, if you are able to do at least this many number of numericals repeatedly, you can crack your NEET paper physics very easily. So once our complete portion has been done, we'll be concentrating on the revision with highly expected questions, highly expected models, and we'll be doing revision, go on and go on and go on beta. Okay, so go on to the app, basically try to register there itself. You'll get from the next week all the links, details about your classes on the app itself. So I do personally request you to fill the form which has been sent to you, and try to give your details to the technical person so that they'll call you and give your details, and try to join the basic course program so that you can take the help of your all the live classes, because from Monday or Tuesday we will not be getting the free access of the classes. We'll be starting with your kinematics part, where we'll be doing the expected models and good number of your questions part. And my more or main intention is to make you to get a good marks in the physics, and with less work. See, I don't want to give again a stress of doing lot number of problems from each chapter. Once the topic has been completed, I'll give you a highly expected some questions like 20, 40, or maybe some around within the 50 range, so that you should be able to do that 40 to 50 models on that chapters regularly. And once we are completed with all the topics, I'll tell you what are the topics we can skip, what are the topics on which we need to give more emphasis and more concentration part. Okay, now? If anyone is having any more doubts, you can talk to me better. Okay, beta. So please immediately try to go onto the RISE app, register yourself, and from Sunday you try, by the Sunday you try to make sure that you complete all your registration forms. And from Monday you'll be getting all the details of our classes, all our DPPs, all our daily class notes, and daily our recordings will be available for you on the app basically. And that is my personal app also. I can say that it's some of my friends will be taking care of that one. Don't think that it is someone else basically. um, okay, and make sure that you try to join that one, download it, and try to register yourself and get all the details. You'll be getting there a lot of practice sessions, a lot of quick notes will be there basically, and all my live classes will also be there, and very soon we'll be starting a doubt sessions on your WhatsApp group basically. Okay, sure. My internet connection is unstable. Am I audible better for everyone? Is my voice clear for everyone? My eraser is not.
Asif, please close PPT once and open.
Yeah, that's understood. Chalo. Concept of integration. Concept of integration. What do you mean by differentiation, beta? I told you yesterday, differentiation is to divide the function into infinite number of small elements, isn't it? Integration is method of summation of your infinite series. So what is an integration? Integration means method of summation. Method of summation of an infinite series. Okay, in which each term tends to 0, but not 0. Tends to 0 means almost all becoming 0. Almost all becoming 0. So integration means adding. Like there is one block here, one block here, one block here, one block here, one block here. If I add them, if I get the total brick like this, that is called as of your integration. Is that clear? So the basic formula which you need to remember in the integration to solve the problems in the physics is first one. Symbol of your integration, see, this is the symbol of integration. Symbol of your integration is extended S like this. This is the symbol of integration. Just draw the S and make it a little bit extended. That will be the symbol of integration. Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? Okay, sure. So what do you mean by integration? Integration means method of summation of your infinite series in which each term is turning to 0. Infinitesimally small elements right now. So the first formula which you need to remember is integral of your x to the power of your n into dx will be equal to your x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, provided n is not equal to minus 1. Except for minus 1, it is applicable for all the formulas, all the numbers. Okay, integral of x to the power of n into dx is how much for me? X n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. It is applicable for all the terms except n is equals to minus 1. Except for n is equals to minus 1. See example. Integral of x square into dx. Integral of x square into dx. Keep the x as it is. In the place of n, what I'm having 2. So it is 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So that will become for me x cube divided by 3. Integral of x square into dx is how much for me? X to the power of 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. That is x cube divided by 3. Is that formula clear for everyone? Sure. Example. Take one more example. Integral of x to the power of 1 by 2 into dx. Integral of 1 by 2 into dx. So that will be equal to how much? X as it is. Power is here 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. So that will be equal to x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. So that will be equal to 2 will go up. 2x to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 3. Is it clear for everyone? Is that clear for everyone? So that is the first formula which you need to remember in this one. Integral of x to the power of your n into your dx. Very important formula. Okay? Sure. Second formula. Integral of your dx is always equals to your x. Integral of dx is always equals to your x. Example. Integral of work will be equal to w. Integral of dv will be equal to v. Integral of your df will be equal to your f. Integral of your momentum dp will be equal to p. Clear? So integral of dx is always equals to how much for me? X. Sure. Third one. Integral of 1 by x into dx. Very important. Integral of 1 by x into dx. Integral of 1 by x into dx will be equal to how much? Log of your x. Very important. Beta. Integral of 1 by x into dx is how much for me? Log of your x. Okay? Is that clear? Sure. I'll do some examples. Fourth formula. Integral of your cos x into dx. Integration of cos x is minus of sin x. Integration of cos x into dx is how much beta? Minus of your sin x. Fifth one. Integral of your sin x into dx will be equal to minus of your cos x. Sorry, it is not minus. The mistake I have written. This is plus only. Integral of your cos x is plus sin x. Integral of sin x is minus of cos x. Reverse of differentiation. Okay. Integration of sin was how much there, beta? Cos. And integration of cos was sin. Minus sin. But integral of your cos x will be equal to your sin x. And integral of your sin x will be equal to minus of your cos x. Clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? Okay. Next one. Integral of exponential to the power of your x is always equals to e to the power of your x. Okay. Integration I'll write right now here. Integration of your e to the power of x into your dx. Integration of your e to the power of e is nothing but what? Exponential. Will always be equal to your e to the power of your x. Clear? Is it clear, beta? Sure, very good. Let me give an examples now. See once again. What do you mean by integration? Integration means the method of summation. The method of summation. That means we can be adding small terms to get a bigger term. Symbol of integration is extended S. Like integral of x to the power of n into dx is how much beta? X to the power of your n plus 1. Okay, so this is the formula. Integral of your x to the power of your n into dx will be equal to how much for me? This one. You need to remember this part of relation. That is not applicable for n minus 1. So except for n minus 1, it is applicable for all the other terms. Integral of x to the power of your n into dx is equal to how much for me? X to the power of n plus 1 divided by your n plus 1. Okay, next formula. Integral of your dx divided by integral of dx is always equal to how much for me? X. Integral of your 1 by x into dx. Integral of 1 by x into dx is equal to how much for me? Log of your x. Very important. Integral of your cos x. Integral of cos x is equal to how much for me? Sin x. Integral of your cos x is equal to sin x. Integral of your sin x will be equal to how much beta? Minus of your cos x. Integral of your exponential to the power of x into dx will be equal to exponential to the power of your x. Is it clear for everyone? Chalo, let me give you some examples right now for this one. First one is solve, isn't it, very carefully. Integral of your x square minus 5x plus 7 into dx. We'll be getting in kinematics the questions based upon this model beta. Integral of your x square minus sin x, x square minus 5x plus 7 into dx. See, how do you write this one? Integral of your x square into your dx plus integral of, sorry, minus it is there, no? So we'll be writing that one as minus. Minus 5x into dx plus integral of your 7 into your dx. Okay. So integral of x square into dx, beta, first formula. X to the power of n. N value is how much? 2 plus 1 divided by n plus 1. What is n here? 2. 2 plus 1 minus 5 is constant. Bring out integral of x to the power of, here how much is power? 1. And x to the power of 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 7 is a constant. Bring out integral of dx will be equal to your x. So this will become for me x power 3 divided by 3 minus 5 x power 2 divided by 2 plus 7 into your x. Is this example clear for everyone? Very good. I hope everyone is clear with this one. Any doubt to anyone in this one? Chalo, let me give you one more example. Listen it very carefully. Solve integral of 1 plus x whole cube into dx divided by root x. Divided by root x. So what is the condition right now here? Integral of your 1 by x cube. So that is in the form of your a plus b whole cube form. That is in the form of your a plus b whole cube form. I think you might have been remembered your basic algebra part of relation expansion powers beta, a plus b whole square formula, a minus b whole square formula, everything. So it is based upon that basic condition. If you are not remembered, I'll try to fastly revise it once. Common formulae, what you will use in physics. First one, a plus b whole square. How much it is? A square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. Next one, a minus b whole square will be equal to your a square plus b square. Now it is minus 2 times of ab. Okay, third one, a plus b whole square is also written as a minus b whole square plus 4 times of ab beta. Very important. Okay, and a minus b whole square is also written as a plus b whole square minus 4 times of ab. Okay, in one more form, if it is in the form of a square minus b square, that will be equal to how much beta? A plus b into your a minus b. Okay, now it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. Now this is something like this, a plus b whole cube. This is the formula what he has given. See, in the place of a it is 1 and in the place of b it is x. So a plus b whole cube formula is how much beta? A cube plus b cube plus 3 times of your ab into your a plus b. Is that clear for everyone? The same way, a minus b whole cube, if you remember, so that will be equal to your how much for me? A cube, just in above you keep minus sign, minus of b cube minus of 3 times of your ab into here it is a minus b. Is that clear for everyone? Is that clear for everyone? Very good. So this is the form which we are using right now here, beta. So now tell me what is the formula we'll be using here? This one. A plus b whole cube will be equal to, so you need to expand this in that form. Okay, so I'll be writing here right now, solution of this one. See, integral of, now try to expand that one better. A plus b whole cube may expand karo. A is how much for me? 1. 1 cube is how much for me? 1. Plus, next one is nothing but b cube. What is b here right now? X. So it is nothing but of your x cube. So I can write that one as of your x cube, sorry. It will be your x cube. Okay, plus 3 times of AB. A is how much? 1. B is nothing but how much for me? X. So it is 3x. Okay. Then it is A plus B. 3x into your A plus B. So A plus B means how much it will be better? It will be equal to your A is 1 plus of your x. Okay. Divided by root x into dx. I can still write this one as something like this. Integral of 1 plus, this one is your x cube plus, this one is a 3x plus 3 into this one will become for me 3x square divided by root x can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2 into dx. I'm doing very detailedly. Now you take x to the power of 1 by 2 above. That means this will become for me integral of 1 plus x to the power of 3 plus 3x plus 3x square into this go up means this will become x to the power of minus 1 by 2 into dx. Okay. Now you multiply this one. You multiply 1 with respect to this one. You multiply x cube with respect to this one, 3x with respect to this one, and 3 with 3x square with this one. That means that will become for me right now integral of your 1 into x power minus 1 by 2. This will become x power minus of 1 by 2 into dx. Into dx. This is a dx for everyone. Plus integral of your x cube into x to the power of x cube into x to the power of your, how much will be become better? X cube into x to the power of minus 1 by 2 into dx. Plus integral of your 3x into your x to the power of minus 1 by 2 into your dx. Plus integral of your 3x square into x to the power of minus 1 by 2 into your dx. Now simplify this one. Integral of x to the power of minus 1 by 2 into dx is as it is, plus integral of, here bases are same, 3 to the power 3, it is nothing but minus 1 by 2. So that will become for me how much better? X to the power of 3 minus 1 by 2 is how much? 5 by 2. That means this will become for me x to the power of 5 by 2 into your dx. Plus 3 is a constant, bring out integral of x into your x to the power of this one. That will become for me your x to the power of your, can anyone tell me how much it will be become better? 3x into x to the power of minus 1 by 2 is 3 constants. I'm taking it out. So it is your x to the power of your 1 by 2. Clear? Chalo. Plus 3x. Again 3 is a constant. Integral of x to the power of 2 into x to the power of minus 1 by 2. That will become for me x to the power of your 3 by 2 into dx. Here also into dx. Okay. Now this, if I'm simplifying, x to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus this will be equal to integral of x to the power of 1 by 2 is x to the power of 5 by 2 plus 1 divided by 5 by 2 plus 1. Okay, plus 3 this one. X to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. Again plus 3. This is x to the power of your 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1. Is it clear for everyone? So how much it will be, beta? Can anyone give me the answer? Minus 1 by 2 plus is minus. So this will become for me plus 1 by 2, and this one is also plus 1 by 2. Can anyone give me the answer? Chalo, you just multiplication kar raha hu beta, zyada kuch nahi. I'm just writing the answer you see here. So that will be equal to your integral of, we have done already with integration now. I'm simplifying it. See this one. X power minus 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2. It will become x power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So this will be equal to your x to the power of 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus. What is next one you see? X to the power of 5 by 2. 5 by 2 plus 1 is 7 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 plus 1 is 7 by 2. Take the LCM. So that will become for me x to the power of 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2 plus. See the next one. X to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. So that will be equal to your 3 into x to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus. Next one is 3 into x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 1. 3 by 2 plus 1 is how much better? 3 by 2 plus 1 is 5. 5 by 2. So this will be equal to your 3 into your x to the power of your 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2. Okay. This will become for me x power 1 by 2 is root x. So this will become for me 2 into root x plus this will become for me how much? 2 will go up. So it is 2 by 7 x to the power of 7 by 2 plus this 2 will go up right now. So this 3 2 just 6. So it is 6 by 2. Isn't it? 6 by, how much it is? 6, yeah, 6 by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. That means it will become for me 2x to the power of 3 by 2. Isn't it? Plus this 2 will go up. 3 twos are 6. It will become for me 6 by 5. X to the power of 5 by 2. So this will be the answer. Clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? Any doubt in this one? Is it clear? Aisha Begum, not clear. कौन सा समझ में नहीं आया बेटा? Is it the calculation part? See, I'll help you out once again. See, I have expanded this in the form of a plus b whole cube. ये आया, so I multiplied with every term. 1 into dx is dx, x power 3. 3x into 1 is nothing but 3x. 3x into x is nothing but 3x square. Now I multiplied this 1 into x power minus 1 by 2. So it is x power minus 1 by 2 into this dx. This dx is common for everything. So plus next one is x cube into x power minus 1 by 2. So here bases are same. So it is 3 minus 1 by 2. So it is 5 by 2 into dx. The same way I multiplied 3x with x power minus 1 by 2. 3x into x power minus 1 by 2. 3 is a constant, so I brought it out. So it is x into minus 1 by 2. So it will become for me x to the power of 1 by 2 into dx. Plus 3 again constant out. X to the power of 2. X square into x to the power of minus 1 by 2 is x to the power of 3 by 2 into dx. Now I'm just applying the integration formula and writing the forms. Okay. Sir, I have neglected the one. Sir, last 3 lines, please. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So x power minus 1 by 2 into dx. 5 to the power of this one. X 3 plus minus 1 by 2 is 5 by 2 into dx. 3. X into x power minus 1 by 2 is x power 1 by 2 into dx plus 3. X power 3 by 2 into dx. Okay. Now see. Now I'm using the first rule. Whatever is the power there. X to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Na? N is how much here? Minus 1 by 2. So it is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So plus. Again, what is n here? First formula. 5 by 2. So x to the power of 5 by 2 plus 1 divided by 5 by 2 plus 1. Plus 3 constant out. Again, what is power here right now? 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. 3. And what is the power for x here? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is 1 by 2. That's what I have written here. x power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. X power 1 by 2 can be written as root x. 1 by 2 means 2 will go up, so that is 2 into root x. Next one. 5 by 2 plus 1 beta. 5 by 2 plus 1. To take the LCM of that one, 5 by 2 plus 1 is 7 by 2. Down one is also 5 by 2 plus 1 is 7 by 2. That's what I have written here. X to the power of 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2. Next one. Here 3 as it is. X power 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Clear? The next one 3. 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1. So that will be equal to your how much for me? Your 5 by 2. So that is divided by 5 by 2. So now this 2 is gone up. This 2 is gone up. 2 by 7 x power 7 by 2. This 2 will go up. So this will 2 into 3, 6 by 3. So 6 by 3 means how much for me beta? 2. So 2x to the power of 3 by 2. This 2 will go up. 3 to the 6 divided by 5. X to the power of 5 by 2. Is it clear now? इतना कैलकुलेशन कुछ भी नहीं है बेटा, छोटे छोटे पावर्स के कैलकुलेशन है. There are no much smaller calculation only. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So this problem is the only method. This much big calculation will not come. Okay na? The powers calculation only I have told you in detail basically. Okay, when you apply in the physics, you don't get any question this lengthy calculation. Every question will be in 2 to 3 lines. Within 1 minute, we need to do the problem. So for understanding, I'm telling you, see, because there are so many steps you can do orally. As we are doing it for the first time for a lot number of students, that is the reason I'm writing all the steps in detail. Once you become perfect, you need not write a lot of steps in that one. You can do a lot of steps orally in this one. Okay? Sure. Now I'll give you some basic and simple questions so that you can do calculations faster. If I take integral of 2x into dx, now tell me the answer. 2 is a constant, bring out integral of x. What is the power? 1 into your dx. So that will be equal to 2x. 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. First formula. So it is 2x square divided by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Answer is x square. Got it? Got it? One more example. Integral of 4x cube into dx. 4 is a constant, so bring out integral of x power 3 into dx. So what is the formula for x to the power of n? So it is x, 4 as it is. Power is 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. So that is 4 x to the power of 4 divided by 4. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. X power 4 is the answer. Okay. Like integral of x power 9 into dx. What is an answer? X power 9 plus 1 divided by 9 plus 1. That is x power 10 divided by 10 will be the answer. Clear? Are you getting me? Is it clear, beta? Let me give you one more example. Integral of 1 by x into dx is how much? Integral of 1 by x is nothing but how much for me? Log x. Isn't it? One more example. Integral of root x into dx. How do you write the root beta? X power 1 by 2 into dx. That is equals to x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. That is equals to x to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. That is equals to 2 x to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 3. Clear? Are you getting me? Is it clear, beta? Sure. One more example. You try it, beta, and tell me the answer. Integral of your 3x square plus 4x into dx. Make it fast. That will be equal to integral of 3x square into dx. You need to write like this. Plus integral of your 4x into dx. 3 is constant here. So bring out integral of your x square into dx. Again plus 4 is a constant. Bring out integral of your x into dx. What is the power here? 1. So that is your 3 x to the power. Power is how much? 2. 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 4. What is the power for x? 1. So it is 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. So what will be the answer for this one? 3 x power 3 divided by 3 plus 4 x power 2 divided by 2. This 3 will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So the answer will be x cube plus 2 into your x square. Clear for everyone? Very good. I'll give you one more example. Make it fast, everyone. I'll give you a minute of a time. You try to do it better. Integral of your 4 into your x cube plus 3 into x square plus 1 into dx. Come on, do it, everyone. First, you write integration for everything. 4 into x cube into dx plus integral of 3 into x square into dx plus 1 into your dx. Got it? 4 is a constant, so bring out integral of x cube into dx plus 3 constant, integral of x square into dx plus 1 constant, integral of your dx. See, x cube into dx is something like this now, beta. First formula. See here. Integral of x to the power of n into dx is how much? X n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Isn't it? So I'm using that formula only here. So this will be equal to 4 x power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 plus 3 x power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 1 as it is. Integral of dx is nothing but x. So that is 4 x power 4 divided by 4 plus 3 x power 3 divided by 3 plus x. This 3, this 3, this 4 will get cancelled. X power 4 plus x power 3 plus x. This will be the answer. Clear? Sure. Any doubt to anyone? Sure. Now let us try to do limits. Yes, beta.
Sir, once explain us.
Which one, beta?
Previous problem, sir.
Okay. Which this one, huh? Integral of x to the power of 3 plus 3x square plus 1 into dx.
Yes, sir.
I first multiplied it 4 into x cube with dx beta. Okay. Integral of 4x cube into dx, then plus integral of 3x square with your dx. Plus again I am multiplying 1 with your dx. 4 is a constant, so bring out integral of x cube into dx. 3 is a constant, so bring out 3 into x square into dx. 1 is a constant, bring out an integral of dx. Okay. Now x cube into dx is in the form of basic standard formula. What is the standard formula I told you just now? It is in the form of x to the power of your n into dx is equal to how much for me? X n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. This form, na? So what is your x? Here x cube into dx. That means this will become for me x cube plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. That means it is x power 4 divided by 4. Got it? Got it? Yes, beta. 378. Please give the name to your IDs, beta. 211378. I'm unmuting you. You are unmute yourself and try to talk to me. Yeah, I'll tell you the trigonometric basics also, beta. Starting at old. Okay. Sure. Next heading now. Is this clear for everyone? Integral of x cube into dx is how much, beta? X power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. Again 3 constant. X square into dx means x to the power of 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Integral of dx is always equals to x. So it is 4. X to the power of 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 4. 3. X power 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3 divided by 3. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus x. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So this is the answer. Clear? Calculating. I am unable to do the problem even I know the formula. That we will try to do when we are doing the numericals, beta. Because these are only the basics. You need to practice a lot for this one. Okay? Chalo. Next one. Definite integration. Definite integral. Okay. See, a definite integral means which is having a finite value. Which is having a finite value. What do you mean by definite integral? It has a definite value. Means exact value. Exact value. Okay. See here. If I am writing integral of 3x square into dx, and here some limits are given 1 and 2. Okay, this 1 is known as lower limit. Okay, this 2 is known as upper limit. Okay, 1 is known as lower limit and 2 is known as upper limit. So first integrate as usually you do the integration. You bring the 3 out, integral of x square into dx. Limits are 1 to 2. Then 3, integrate first x square into this one is x power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Then write the limits as usually. It is 1 here and here it is 2. That is equals to 3. X to the power of 2 plus 1 is x power 3 divided by 3. Then write the limits as usual 1 and 2. So that will become for me 3 will bring out. Here it is x power 3. Write the limits as it is 1 and 2. This 3 will get cancelled. Now what you do is in the place of x substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Now what you do is substitute in place of x upper limit minus lower limit. This is the way to substitute the limits. See how I am doing in the place of x. So in the place of x, what is upper limit? In the place of x, what is upper limit? 1. Upper limit is 2 cube minus lower limit 1 cube. So 2 cube means how much beta? Can anyone tell me? What is the value of your 2 cube? Integral of 3x square. How much? Two cube means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. 8 minus 1, that will be equal to 7. Got it, everyone? Got it, everyone? Got an idea how to substitute the limits? Got an idea how to substitute the limits? Any doubt to anyone in this one? Shall I give you one more example? Chalo. Example, you try to do it. Integral of your, like say, x square plus 2x into dx. Limits are 0 to 1. So first you do the integration, integral of x square into dx as usually 0 to 1 plus integral of 2x into your dx, limits 0 to 1. Integral of x square into dx is how much beta? X 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. What are the limits? 0 to 1 plus 2 out. Integral of x into dx is how much? X power. Here how much it is? 1. So it is 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Limits are how much? 0 to 1. So that will become for me x power 3 divided by 3. Limits are 0 to 1 plus 2. Here it is x power 2 divided by 2. Limits are 0 to 1. This will become for me 1 by 3. I can write this one as x cube. Limits are 0 to 1 plus this 2 will get cancelled. So it is x square. Limits are 0 to 1. So now what I'll do in the place of your x upper limit, that means 1 cube minus 0 cube plus in the place of x upper limit 1 square minus 0 square. So what will be the answer? 1 by 3 into 1 cube is 1. 0 cube minus is 0. Yes. This one is nothing but 1 square is 1. So it is 1 by 3 plus 1. Got it? How much is 1 by 3 plus 1? 4, 5. Very good. What an idea, everyone? No doubt to anyone? One more example. Integral of 2x plus 3x square into dx. Limits are 2 to 3. How much? So try to do it, everyone. Integral of 2x into dx. Limits 2 to 3. Yes. Integral of 3x square into dx. Limits 2 to 3. What we need to do? Take the constant out. Integral of x to the power of 1 into dx. Because if nothing is there, means it is 1 na beta. Limits are 2 to 3. Plus 3 is out. Again, integral of x square into dx. Limits are 2 to 3. That means that will be equal to 2. Integral of x into dx is how much beta? X 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Formula. Limits are 2 to 3. Plus 3 is out. This is x 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Limits are 2 to 3. So that is equals to 2 into x square divided by 2. Limits are 2 to 3. Plus this is 3. X power 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. Limits are 2 to 3. This 3, this 3, this 2 will get cancelled. So how much it is right now? X power 2. Limits are from your 2 to 3. Plus x cube. Limits are from 2 to 3. Now in the place of x, substitute upper limit. So it is 3 square minus in the place of x, lower limit 2 square. Plus in the place of x, upper limit, that is 3 cube minus 2 cube. So that will be equal to 3 square. 3 3 is a 9 plus 2 2 is a 4. 9 minus 4 plus 3 cube. What is the value of your 3 cube beta? Anyone? $27. Very good. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is a 9. 9 3 is a 27. This is 27 minus 2 cube beta. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 is a 4. 4 2 is a 8. So 9 minus 2 is how much? Anyone? Nine minus 4. Very good. 5 plus 27 minus 8. 19. Very good. So 5 plus 19. 24. Very good. Got it? That is the answer. Got it, everyone? Is it clear for everyone? This much of integration is more than enough for the physics bit. No need more than this one. Any doubt to anyone? Dheeraj, yes, better tell me.
Sir, yesterday homework problems.
Yesterday's one, huh? Yeah, you need some homework on this one.
Yesterday's homework.
Have you done them, beta? You try to do and send me beta on WhatsApp. If you're not getting, I'll try to do that all problems in the class.
అలా కాదు సార్ అంటే ఆన్సర్ వెరిఫై చేసుకుందామని సార్
I have get a lot of the answers, Gada. Okay, I'll send you the answers for the remaining questions today. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll send you, no problem. Still anyone? Christopher? Alicia? Monali? Nandini? Is it clear for all of you? Not getting time. See beta, time नहीं मिल रहा है तो we need to take out the time and try to do. See, time management मतलब the whole whatever the time you get, you need to equally divide it and try to do the small things and do it regularly. Don't get yourself burdened with lot number of your questions. So do we complete the syllabus on the time? Yes, beta, surely we will be completing the complete syllabus as per the schedule. We have been already created the complete schedule also day wise we have given you. We'll give you what day, what you will be teaching and when you will be having the exams, what are the assignments. May not be the NEET on the May beta because this time intermediate board exams are also conducting in April. So there may be a little bit of extent of 30 or 40 days ahead. So, but still we'll be completing our syllabus 1 month or 1.5 months before the schedule. Okay. And we'll be doing a lot of examples also. We have already created the complete schedule. You can go on to the RISE app. You will be seeing everything in detail about our schedules, what day, what we'll be teaching, and how you will be writing the exams. You'll be having a lot of your DPPs with all solutions, quick revive notes. So you please try to download the app and try to register yourself and try to get the advantage of that one. And if you are having any doubts, you can talk to our technical team or else you can directly talk to me. Surely I'll help you out, Dheeraj. Don't take tension. But be interactive with me and let me know how you are doing. Once the vectors start, you let me know that how many problems you are doing. I expect you to do only 100 problems, not more than that in the vectors, and do them repeatedly and repeatedly and repeatedly. Okay? Don't follow here and there. You just follow my notes and try to do the numericals which I send you. And very shortly, we'll be giving you the complete chapter-wise and neat questions with solutions beta so that you can practice once the chapter has been completed. This all you'll be getting in the app basically. So in that app, we have been created in such a way that all the neat questions and solutions are available for you there. And a lot of live lectures will also be there. Doubts clarification section will also be there. And from tomorrow, most probably we'll be starting with vectors. Okay. Then from the vectors, I'll try to start with the basics. I'll tell you some shortcut formulas. Then we'll try to do some good problems in the class, like 50 problems. Then 50 problems from your previous PYQs. And that 100 problems are more than enough to get a score in the good score for your physics in the vectors chapter. So like that, for every chapter, we'll be doing the little bit of your questions regularly and standard questions in order to not to burden you a lot with your unnecessary questions. So topic wise, straightforward, what will come, what not will become, we'll be segregating and trying to do it out. Okay. And Dheeraj, please try to give a word to your friends also. Ask them to listen the lectures, try to forward them and try to give a word about my classes. Let them attend the classes for some time. Even vectors, I'll be giving you some sessions free. So we can attend them and please give a word. So I do request all the students, please give a word to your friend circles because I'm going to teach you the complete physics in very small amount, very small amount with a lot of your DPPs with solutions, quick notes, test, everything basically. And with a personal case, I'll be personally interacting with all of you. And we are taking only first to 25 students only for this live session classes beta. This is a paid course for the first 25 students. So for all the 25 students, personally, I'll be taking care. I'll be noting their names. I'll be talking to them. I'll be tracking their complete working schedule. And I'll be taking care of their marks and I'll be taking care of their calculation parts, everything basically. Okay. Only for first 25 students because I'm not expecting more than that. So I just need a 25 students first, whoever will joining, whatever may be your level. So from that, I'll be personally monitoring you. I'll be taking care of you basically. So for all of them, we'll be giving you the personal mentorship also basically. but I myself will be taking care of your physics with all your doubts, clarification, everything. Okay. And I have planned the session in such a way that I'll not burden with you or with lot number of your questions, straightforward question, and directly. You can directly contact with Mr. What is the cost, sir, only for physics? You register yourself better because you might have been got, it's very reasonable better. It will not come even 200 rupees or 300 rupees per month for you. Okay. It's hardly like watching one movie in your PVR. Okay. It will not cost you more than that one better. Hardly 500 rupees or maybe 1000 rupees per month. With regular classes of live and DPPs and video lectures, live classes, live interaction. Okay, these are all of the basics only. Once we start our regular session, you still you'll still love the enjoy session with me. From here, sir, or Inka Ikkadaina Istara live. Only on, I am live only on Rise Better, nowhere else. I am live on the platform of Rise only. Because this is my sister concern, I can say brother concern app for me, and it is very prestigious to me. So I am live every day on my Rise app, and you just give a word to your friend circles also. Please give a word. So and try to register yourself. Very reasonable fees, beta, down to the earth fees. You really love it. And if you and another thing is you directly contact to me. I'll be giving even my number on the WhatsApp group. Once you are registered with us, we'll try to give you the contact number of the concerned faculty. That is myself. You can share your doubts, you can talk to me. I'll be motivating you every day. And my only prior concern is to get a good marks, because if your bio and chemistry is good, leave your physics headache to me better. Okay. Still anyone want to talk? Anyone? You can please let me know. See, it is hardly not, see, it's a cost of like your, nothing. Monthly also you can pay. There's not an option if you don't have an option of paying at a time. You can also go for the monthly mode basically, and very reasonable fees. And the cost of your internet, not charging more than that. Okay.
సార్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇండివిజువల్ గా ఈ కోర్స్ కొనుక్కుంటా ఉంటుందా లేకపోతే మొత్తం మీద కొనాలా?
You can buy individual course also, beta. If you are interested to buy only botany, you can buy only botany. Only zoology, if you are interested, you can join zoology. Only if you are interested for physics, you can join only for physics. Because total course is like 32. Only for physics, it is 8,000, something like that. And if you are paying at installments part affiliation, you can directly contact. We'll be getting 10-20% of discount in the app basically. So it will come out for you like 5,000 or 6,000, something like that. ఓకే, అంటే మంత్లీ నీకు ఒక 1,000 రూపీస్ ఆర్ 800 రూపీస్ పడుతుంది, దానికంటే ఎక్కువ పడదు.
అంటే మంత్లీ పే చేయక ఉంటుందా మనకి?
మంత్లీ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ డూ ఇట్ అవుట్ బెటా. యూ కెన్ పే ఈవెన్ మంత్లీ.
మన రిప్రజెంటేటివ్ ఏమన్నారంటే ఈ రోజు కానీ రేపు కానీ 8,000 కడితేనే క్లాస్కి వచ్చేలాగా ఉండండి అని చెప్పేసి చెప్పారు మార్నింగ్ కాల్ చేస్తే.
ఓకే, నేను మాట్లాడుతున్నాను, నా ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. యూ కెన్ జాయిన్ ఫర్ మై ఫిజిక్స్ క్లాస్ ఆల్సో. నాట్ 8,000, ఐ విల్ గివ్ యూ అన్ ఆప్షన్. ఒకటేసారి నువ్వు పే చేస్తావంటే ఒక 5,000-6,000 చేపిస్తాను. లేదు మంత్లీగా నువ్వు పే చేస్తామంటే కూడా విల్ మేక్ ఎన్ ఆప్షన్ ఫర్ ద మంత్లీ ఆల్సో. దట్స్ నాట్ ఎన్ ఆప్షన్.
మంత్లీ పే చేయడానికి చూడండి సార్, అంటే మంత్లీ కావాలి నాకు.
నువ్వు ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఉన్నావు? వేర్ యు ఆర్ టాకింగ్?
విజయవాడ సార్.
Very good, beta. Chalo, you give your word to your friends, beta. I'll surely ask my technical team to give even a monthly option.
ఇద్దరు ముగ్గురు కూడా ఉన్నారు సార్ అందుకు.
Surely, I'll tell you, beta. Monthly also, I'll give option for everyone. You can pay the fees monthly also. See, the main reason for keeping the fees is you will have an what do you call that one, responsibility. Last year, I completely thought for physics, but no one was interested. Every free gain వస్తుంది కదా అని ఓ రోజు వస్తారు, ఓ రోజు రారు. బట్ రైట్ నో వెన్ ఐ కీప్ ఎ ఫీస్ ఫర్ యూ, యూ విల్ కమ్ బికాజ్ యూ విల్ బి హావింగ్ ఎ పెయిన్ ఆఫ్ పేయింగ్ సంథింగ్. యా, దట్ ఇస్ ద రీజన్ దట్
ఆకాష్లో జాయిన్ అయినా.
Okay. So here I'll ask the management to give you monthly option also. We'll try to create some option for that one. It's not an problem. You please give a word to your friend circle. So if you are bringing some, that will also be helpful. And that is a very reasonable fees we are charging better. That's not a problem. And very good content also. Are you liking the class better? The basics to చెప్తున్నాను. Are you happy with the lectures?
Yes sir. అంటే అంతకు ముందు మా క్లాస్ లో వినేదానికంటే ఇదే బాగుంది.
Okay, fine. That's great. And give you a word basically, and I will try to even see that from Monday. I'll try to even on my videos and try to because నాకు కొంచెం camera problem ఉంది. అది కొంచెం setup చేసుకుంటున్నాను. Once that is happening, everything I'll do it out. The main reason to take the fees is to make you to responsible. That's only a thing, because the fees what you are paying, I'm getting nothing in that fund, because it's nothing. Only thing is to make a systematic manner, because you'll be getting DPPs, you'll be getting all the live lectures, you'll be getting the quick review notes, everything.
Monthly installment.
Surely I'll try to do it out, but I'll ask the management to give you a monthly option. That's not an issue. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just give an option, that just give a word to your friends that even with monthly under, see, if you're going to a PVR and watching a movie, whatever is the cost you are having, in that much you are learning a complete medical
school. 8,000.
I'll talk. That's not an issue. That's not an issue. Okay. Okay, chalo. Thank you. Take care, beta. Bye.
Okay, sir.